I've got Carl coming to start this morning. Gin's going to make this into a little sort of workshop.
Got our Carl with us in his nice Airedale top. He's just going to spray it bottom a bit now. Let's see. All welded there for you. He's not a bad welder, our Carl.
He's a different level. You talk about world class, and then there's like the sort of very top.
Decided to get him a track banner there today, so I think they're impressed with that.
Look at him. He's off, he is. He's off.
This track we were on was frozen last week, but on there it's turned to slop, so it's going to make the job twice as hard for us loading out. So we're just hoping weather holds off.
12 seconds later.
Well, this dream job's just turned into a f***ing nightmare. It's f***ing lethal down there. Like f***ing battle at some in trenches. Get f***ing gear down here now. It can't be f***ing wants 2 labourers on it, in all fairness. Just hope it we get some cold weather and it freezes overnight, but horrendous.
It must be on camera, our Carl. Get that mask on, lad.
Well, that's an improvement. Cover that ginger beard and hair.
Look at this now, not our problem. Hey, sat outside at property line. All happens now, it's not on us.
10 seconds later.
And this is how the job ended, in disaster.
The amount of money we're owed for a small business it's ridiculous. Just pay your bills, guys. I'm gonna have to crack some heads and get a bit tough with them.
I have come here to chew bubblegum and kick ass. And I'm all out of bubblegum.
So we're just up here at Quarry. I don't know if anybody knew about what the issue was here. Is basically after we've left the job a couple of weeks later, people have come and basically stole the fencing. What can happen, especially when it's in the middle of nowhere with no one to watch it. They've come out with high vises on and acted like they're working here and took a lot of the panels.
So Justin and Jamie are over at that job at Middleham in the Dales. So hopefully they've got some footage as well. Seatbelt trying to f*** it. Oh mate, that bullying f***ing around mate.